If your Windows 11 keeps freezing randomly, whether during gaming, browsing, or even simple file transfers, this video will help you. Click on the Start menu and type Edit Power Plan. Open the Edit Power Plan option from the control panel. Now, on the right side, click Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down until you see Processor Power Management. Expand it by clicking the plus icon. Under Minimum Processor State, set both on. Battery and plugged in to 100%. Then, expand Maximum Processor State and also set both to 100%. Next, expand System Cooling Policy. Change both options from passive to active. This ensures your CPU always runs at full. Now click Apply and OK. Go back to the Power Options window. Click on Show Additional Plans and select Ultimate Performance. Click on the Start menu and type View Advanced System Settings. Open it. Under the Advanced tab, go to the Performance section and click Settings. Then in the new window, go to the Advanced tab again and click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Now select your C, drive, then choose Custom Size. And paste value according to your RAM. Click Set, then OK, and restart your PC. This creates a powerful static paging file, preventing Windows from running out of virtual memory and freezing during heavy tasks. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.